Over 90% of faceless YouTube channels using AI voices are getting demonetized right now because of one fatal mistake. Yet my channel brought in $5,000 last month entirely using an AI voice. The secret is not just using ElevenLabs, but rather a hidden settings configuration that almost everyone completely ignores. After wasting hundreds of dollars testing everything from Murph AI to Speechelo, I finally figured out what actually works. In this video, I am going to expose the things I absolutely hate about ElevenLabs. But I will also show you the exact 3-step voice settings you need so your AI voice sounds so incredibly smooth that the YouTube algorithm cannot tell the difference. Make sure you stick around until the 4th minute because I have a completely free gift that will save you at least 10 hours of editing every single week. Let us start with the absolute worst part about this software. The advanced audio interface in ElevenLabs is incredibly confusing for beginners. If you leave the stability slider at the default 100%, your voiceover is going to sound exactly like a lifeless robot. That robotic tone is the exact trigger that causes the YouTube algorithm to flag your channel for reused content. To fix this, you need to grab that stability slider and drag it down to around 30 or 40%. Doing this introduces natural emotional variations, slight pauses, and human-like imperfections into the speech. Suddenly, the voice breathes and emphasizes words exactly like a real human narrator would. Another massive flaw is that people just pick the first default voice they see. When 10,000 other channels are using the exact same voice, your content loses all originality. You have to dig deep into the voice library and filter for specific conversational tones. Voices like Adam or Marcus are fantastic for documentaries, while Rachel works wonders for lifestyle and health niches. You must tweak the clarity and similarity enhancement sliders based on the specific pacing of your script. If your script is fast-paced and aggressive, pushing the clarity up helps articulate every single syllable. If you're telling a sad or mysterious story, dropping the clarity slightly gives the voice a much more intimate and raw feeling. These micro adjustments are the absolute difference between building a loyal audience and having viewers click away in the first 3 seconds. Now, constantly tweaking and testing these individual voice sliders can waste a massive amount of your time. Because I have already spent countless hours figuring this out, I went ahead and created a custom Notion template. This file contains my top 10 most natural voice settings specifically designed for YouTube narration. It completely removes the guesswork so you can just copy and paste the parameters. I am giving this Notion template away completely for free. To download it and start using it right now, simply click the ElevenLabs link in the very first line of the video description. Clicking that exact link also gives you a free trial with 10,000 free credits every single month to test the software out for yourself. Full transparency, if you use my link, it helps support the channel at absolutely no extra cost to you. I truly appreciate it because it allows me to keep making these in-depth tutorials for you. Once you have your 10,000 free credits, you can instantly apply my Notion settings to your very first project. This means you bypass the frustrating learning curve and immediately generate audio that keeps your viewers hooked. But creating a standard voiceover is only scratching the surface of what you actually need to build a successful channel. One of the biggest hurdles creators face is the language barrier. Perhaps English is not your first language, or maybe you just hate the sound of your own voice on a microphone. ElevenLabs has a professional voice cloning feature that completely solves this problem. You can upload a short, 1-minute sample of your own voice speaking in your native language. The AI will clone your unique vocal texture and allow you to type English text, outputting perfect native-level English using your own voice. This completely eliminates the need to hire expensive freelance voice actors on Fiverr or Upwork. More importantly, it allows you to target audiences in the United States and the United Kingdom. Reaching these premium demographics can increase your advertising revenue drastically compared to focusing solely on local markets. Instead of spending days waiting for a voice actor to deliver a recording, you generate a highly engaging audio track in literally 20 seconds. You can produce 5 to 10 videos a day instead of struggling to finish just one per week. The speed of execution is what allows you to test multiple video ideas and scale your channel faster than you ever thought possible. Remember, the platform does not guarantee any specific financial results, but optimizing your production workflow gives you a massive competitive advantage. If you are still hesitating to use AI because you are worried about the algorithm, you are simply leaving opportunity on the table. Do not let another day go by relying on outdated and expensive audio methods. Click the pinned comment or the very first line in the description to claim your 10,000 free credits from ElevenLabs and grab my free settings guide. Start building your high-quality faceless channel today. And if you want to know the exact research method I use to find viral video ideas before anyone else does, click on this video right here.